Alright, so I'm just about to take a piece of the hair. So I'm going to just take the end of this hair and wrap it around my hair to secure it. So I'm going to just take this and then just wrap. Just wrap it around. Okay, so now I'm going to just take the ponytail and just wrap. Trying to stay as close as I can to the back of my head. And then once I get to the end, I'm going to take this and then just wrap. Okay. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like. Okay, I know y'all see all these crinkles everywhere. And then I got this long